We're going to be changing the display settings or the screen brightness of the 69 Pro controller, and it's done through the app in this video. So all you do is you click on the app. So we'll go here. In case you end up on this page, all you have to do is click in this blank spot. Then right up here, yours will probably say new device, but you got to click like right here. And that gets you to this page. And the way you'll know you're on the right page is you'll see the gear icon appears up there. That's the settings icon. So now we're going to hit the settings icon. And that gets us to where we want to be. But yours might be like this. Device brightness, and it's turned off. And you may also find that this page does scroll, so check for that as well. And right now I have it set on brightness of 3. That's as bright as this screen will go. Now we're going to dim it down to this middle setting, and the number 1 setting is the dimmest setting. So we'll do the number 2 first. So we'll come here, hit number 2, hit confirm. If you notice, this is still lit, but not as bright as it was. Then to get back where we were, it's just hit this gear icon. And now we're going to change it down to the dimmest setting. So we're going to go right here. We'll hit confirm. If you notice, it's even gotten dimmer still. Now we're going to go to the other 2 settings. And we'll do A2 first. So we're going to hit A2. And what's going to happen when I hit it, it's going to go to the middle setting, in other words, 2. But you'll see what takes place. I'm going to go here. So now it's on the middle setting. And in 15 seconds, this is going to dim down to setting 1. So that's going to happen just about now. Now we're going to go and hit A3. And A3 is the same thing, except it's on the brightest setting. So when we hit confirm, you're going to see this screen's going to get brighter still. But in 15 seconds, that's going to go dim again. That'll happen about right now. Now what I'm going to show you, even though this is dim, I can go ahead and change settings here and it'll stay dim. So I'm going to go ahead and start my fan up, which if you look back there, you'll see that starts to blow. So I'm going to come here and go from off to on, and you'll see the fan starts up, but this display here still stays dim. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, and if you'll notice, it doesn't affect this right here. The only thing that's going to brighten this now is by hitting an actual button like this. And that's what changes it. But because I have it on A3, in 15 seconds, it's going to go down to the dimness of number 1. So that's how you change the brightness settings on your display. Click on the card that just appeared and it'll take you to a playlist of all the videos I do on this controller and fan. Appropriate Amazon affiliate links have been left below this video. This wraps up another episode of DIY Ron, so I'm signing off.